I press Ctrl C to clear up. Let me put a comment here, CRUD operation, which is stand for C, which is create, followed by read, SREAD, and update, and last one is delete. Before I'm going to create task function, I'm going to create a variable which is to get a user input and name it as a new task. What is your new task? And this is where the user will be prompt. Now let's define our functions as a create task. I'm going to indent it to the right. I'm going to put create task functions inside the main functions. So it will call inside the main function. Let's switch to the terminal, to the shell. Type Python main.py. Center. All right, the table created, and I think we should justify this. What's your new task? Simply type test and enter, and we go back to my Vim text editor, comment out create table. As you can see, I'm going to use the C, which is assigned as a cursor object. C.execute. And I'm going to type SQLite3 command, insert into Todo table. And task, which is a field for the Todo table, and the values. Let me move to the new line. And here's this placeholder, followed by comma and new underscore task, which is the same as the new task above for the user input. And I just want to let you know that we need to put the comma if we have only single placeholder or single variables here. Let me show you. If we minus out the comma, it will throw an error. Okay. So don't forget to put the connections.commit. So this will enable to SQLite to insert the database. Now let's run Python main.py. So again, what is your new task? So I put here coding Python. You see this an error, right? I just mentioned to you just now. Let me clear up the shell. Ctrl C, and you're going to fix this and put a comma for the new task placeholder. Now run Python main.py. Okay, to do app, what's your new task? Going to insert a new task. Again, type coding Python. And we have done. Alright, next video I'm going to show you how to read the data, the data we have inserted just now. Thanks for watching the video tutorial. If you like the video and haven't yet subscribed, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to Python Hat channel. By the way, if you have the means, you can support us and click the link given below, coffee.com/PythonHack, by buying or tip us coffee. See you soon. Again, thank you very much.